We will now go over a few ways in which you can make your design work more precise, specifically using grids, snapping, the working plane, and some more. Let's start with grids. By clicking on the Show Grid button at the bottom of the screen, a grid will appear. You can set the spacing of your grid in the Settings menu. We'll have a first peek now and we'll describe it more later, where you'll find the Set Grid Spacing button, where you can decide between various different available grid spacing options. When we're looking obliquely at the model, the grid is not actually active. But as soon as we rotate along one of the main orthogonal axes, we notice that the grid color changes to indicate the plane we're working on. And now, if for example I move a vertex, I see that it will always snap at a grid crossing. Similarly, if I select a face or the whole model and do a rigid move, hitting M, the center of the manipulator will snap on the grid crossings as well. Something that is usually helpful is to select all of the faces of a body with Shift-click. So I select the entire cube, and I additionally select one single vertex. So now the manipulator will be placed on that vertex, and I can precisely locate that vertex on the grid as I move the object around. One more thing regarding the rigid move manipulator is that when the grid is active, any rotation will also snap at 30-degree intervals. When the grid is not active, the rotation is free. Another tool that we have available is the Set Working Plane option. So here you select 3 vertices which will define a plane. Then you hit on the Set Working Plane button, which displays the selected plane. Now any movement you make, for example moving this vertex here, will keep the vertex within the working plane if it was initially on it, or within a plane that is parallel to the working plane and contains the initial location of the vertex, regardless of the viewing angle. Finally, there is one more functionality: snapping. This is different from grid snapping and does not require the grid to be active. So if you turn on the snapping from the Settings menu, like you see here, and then for example you move a vertex, you will see sets of coloured squares appear around other vertices. The meaning of each colour is that the moving vertex is currently very close to the plane that vertices of the same square colour lie on. If I stop moving the vertex and lift the mouse, it will snap onto the planes lit up. To make it a little easier to understand, as you see, I am moving close to this other vertex in the back. Both planes are lit up, which means that as soon as I release the mouse, the vertex will snap onto those planes. Now the vertex is only close to the vertical plane here, so it will only snap on the vertical plane, whereas now it's only close to the horizontal plane, and it will snap there. These are some more ways in which you can make design work more precise and controlled.